Second lap now, 9-year-old Jamaican-born Trinidadian Alex Powell has been creating a storm on the karting circuit championship in Europe with 2 podium finishes, which ranks him 3rd in the world.
Alex Powell, the son of one of the region's top rally drivers, John, has been representing the Caribbean with pride, ending the season as the 3rd-ranked mini-class karter in Europe. The young Powell, who's been karting for 18 months, has stomped his authority among the world's best drivers in the Minimax class.
It means a lot because, I started when I was 7 and I didn't know that I would be this good in 3 years.
Powell's first taste of major success came on June 24 during the first leg of the WSK Open Cup Championships in Brescia, Italy, where he placed 3rd overall. Just over a month later, on July 29, he placed 5th overall after 1 3rd place and 2 4th place finishes on the 2nd leg of the championship at the Adrian Raceway, also in Italy. Powell's biggest success over the 4-month period came at the Panamanian Rock Cup in Colombia on August 19, where he recorded 2 first-place finishes. Powell, who ended the season with another 3rd overall finish on the final leg of the WSK Open Cup in South Italy, was surprised by his world ranking. Young Powell, who now lives in Europe and attends the Max Verstappen Driving Academy, has long-term dreams of driving in Formula One like Britain's Lewis Hamilton.
I think next year I will move up a category, and I think in the next 3 years I'll go into Formula 4.
I guess being around so many drivers like Montoya's, Juan Pablo Montoya's son, Fittipaldi's son, Stensoni's son. There are a lot of ex-world Formula One drivers, NASCAR drivers, rally drivers that are in go-karting now at this early age. That he has developed friendships with them, and he is looking at something different. His coach is Coach Max Verstappen and Sebastian Vettel, so I guess it's only natural that he would want to look to do that.
Meanwhile, David Somerville Jr., the president of the Jamaica Karting Association, who invited Alex to Jamaica, says his performance in Europe will now open doors for more local karters.
Already people are asking, and they have actually shown interest. Just the level he's at makes everybody want to come here and race as well. They want to see what else is happening. And so little step by step, we really are going in the right direction, and proud to be part of the sport at this point. It's only going to get better and better.
Alex will next compete in the junior class over the next 6 months on the European circuit. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.